Hi, hello, welcome to major tourist places in Sanduru. Sanduru is a taluk in Ballari district. Sanduru was ruled by royal family of Marathas. Once again, welcome to Skanda Sirinadu, Sanduru. Sanduru is also known as UK Malenadu. The five places in Sanduru: Kumarswamy Temple, Nariyala Viewpoint, Bhimatirtha Peak Point, see Sanduru in September, Ublagundi. The Kumarswamy temple was discovered in the 15th century by Gorpades. In 1996, Murari Rao Yashwantrao Gorpade lifted the ban on women entering the temple. Narihalla, the best time to visit is post monsoon. Bhimatirtha Peak Point, great place in Sanduru, a must visit trekking point. See Sandur on September. In 1930, Mahatma Gandhiji said, See Sandur in September. Ublagundi is a natural wonder with combination of majestic rocks and dense forest located near Sandur. It has a rich forest and known as Switzerland of Ballari. These five are some major attractive tourist places located at Sandur Taluk in Ballari district. Thank you.